I were to ask you, dear brothers and sisters, what would you like GCAF to be in the next years to come? So we have a dream. And this dream will be realized only if we partner together. It has been said that today's decisions will determine who you'll be tomorrow. This dream is something for our children. It's time as well for us to now build for the next generation. But it's our time. It's our turn. It's our turn to plant. There would rise a tall building on the back. The building will be built so that the next generation will be taught. The next generation will be reached. Warren Buffett said, someone is sitting in the shade today, enjoying the shade of a beautiful tree, because someone planted a tree. God gave the dream, and men and women caught it, and they didn't stop by just keeping it for themselves. They moved with the dream. They became dream movers. Now it's our time. It's our turn.